أعزائي طلبة وطالبات شهادة الثانوية العامة، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. النهاردة هناخد درس جديد في التفاضل والتكامل اسمه المعادلات الزمنية المرتبطة. Welcome dear student and our math program for secondary 3. Today we are taking new lesson in calculus differentiation. Is called following related time. Dear student, look at the important example in time related. Look at, if we have lengths of two sides of right angle triangle are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. The length of the first side decreases by half centimeter per minute, and the length of the second increases by 1 centimeter per minute. Find the rate of change surface area of triangle after 2 minutes. This is number 1. Number 2, the time at which the increasing is vanished. Solution. Look at the student. The length of the first side is decreased by rate half centimeter per minute. Then after t second, its length equals 8 minus half t centimeter, and the length of the second side is increasing by rate 1 centimeter per minute. After t second, its length 6 plus t centimeter. The area of a triangle. What you mean area of triangle, dear student? Half base times height. This right angle triangle. Half base times height. What is the base? Bracket contains 8 minus half t. What is the height? 6 plus t inside bracket. Then area equals 4 minus quarter t inside bracket times 6 plus t inside bracket. Also, area equals 24 plus 5 over 2t minus quarter t square. What is the meaning of dA over dt? Change of the area respect to the time t equals what? 24 0, but 5 over 2t equal 5 over 2 minus half tt. Then dA over 3 at t equals 2. By substitution, answer is 5 over 2 minus quarter times 2 equals 1.5 centimeter square per minute. This change of the area respect to time t. Then dA over dt, the second required, equals 0. Vanished, what you mean area of vanished? Then dA over dt equals 0. Then 5 over 2 minus quarter t equals 0. What the value of t by using divided by quarter? Then t equal 5 minutes. Remember, dear student, change of the A or the area respect to time t equals 1.5 centimeter squared per minute. This is area. Change of the area. But when dA over dt equals 0, dA over dt equals 0 at t equals 5. At t equals 2, dA over dt equals 1.5. When t is increase to reach 5 minutes, dA over dt equals 0, or A is vanished when t equals 5 minutes. Another example. Metal lamina in the form of an isosceles triangle. Its height equals twice its base. The length of each base is increasing by heating rate 0.04 centimeter per second. Find the increasing rate of surface area of lamina when its base 8 centimeter. This is number 1. Number 2, find the rate of change of each side length. Solution. Dear student, lamina is shape isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal in length, AB equals AC. This lamina is isosceles triangle ABC. Two sides are equal in length, its height twice its base. Let BC is base equals x. Then AD height of lamina equals 2x. Remember, AD perpendicular to BC is axis of symmetry of lamina. Then D is midpoint of BC. BD equal half x. Also CD equal half x. Let the base length be x centimeter. Then length of each side 2x centimeter. Surface area of triangle represented by capital A centimeter squared. Then also length of each side equal L. What do you mean of area? Half base times height. What is the base? BC. What is the height? AD. Area is half x. BC is x centimeter and times AD equals 2x. Answer is x squared. Area of isosceles triangle in this case equal x squared. After that, by differentiation with respect to time t, dA over dt equals what? 2x dx over dt. Remember, dear student, dA over dt when time equals 8 equals by substitution about t equals 8 and change is 0.04. dA over dt equals 2 times 8 times 0.04 equals 0.64 centimeter square per second. This is the first. Since L squared equals 2x squared plus half x squared. Why? Look at triangle ABD. This right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, AD equal to x, BD half x, then hypotenuse L square equals sum of square of two sides, 2x for all power 2 plus half x for all power 2. Then L square equal 4x squared plus quarter x squared equals 17 over 4 x squared. This is L squared. After that, we find the length by using square root. L equals square root 17 over 2x. By differentiation respect to time t, then dL over dt equal root 17 over 2 dx over dt. By substitution about dx over dt 0.04, then change of length respect to time t equals what? 0.02 root 17 centimeter per second. Remember, dear student, change of the side is centimeter per second. Change each 1 second 0.02 root 17 centimeter. But unit of change of the area must be centimeter squared per second. In this case, dL over dt, change of the side respect to time t, equals 0.02 times square root 17 centimeter per second. The height of right circular cylinder, 7/6 of each base diameter length. What do you mean right circular cylinder? Cylinder has two bases are circles, and the right means the height perpendicular to the radius. Find the rate of a change of its volume when the radius length of each base is 6 centimeter, given that the rate of a change of each height equals 0.01 centimeter per second. Solution. Dear student, look at, let the radius of the base r centimeter and its height h centimeter. Then the relation between height and radius equals 7/6 the diameter. The height of cylinder, right circular cylinder, equals 7/6 its diameter. Diameter equals 2r. Then the relation between h and r must be equals h equals 7/6 times 2r, or equals 7/3 h. H equals 7/3, or r equals 3/7 h. Since the volume equals what? Volume of circular area of a circle times height by r square times height by times 3/7 h for all power 2 times height by substitution about r equals 3/7 h. Then volume equals 9/49 by h power 3 by differentiation respect to time t. Then dv by dt equals 27/49 by h square times dh over dt. When r equals 6 centimeter and h equals 14 by substitution, then dv over dt equals 27/49 by times 14 power 2 dh over dt equals 0.04 equals 1.08 by centimeter cubic per second. This change of the volume of circular cylinder is 1.08 by centimeter cubic per 1 second. Remark. Dear student, let x be the radian measure of angle, then differentiation the sine x respect to time equal cosine. Differentiation sine respect to time equal cosine times dx over dt. d tan x over dt equals sec square x dx over dt. Differentiation tan respect to time equal sec square. But differentiation cosine respect to time equal negative sine x dx over dt. Remember, dear student, differentiation sine equal cosine, differentiation tan equal sec square, differentiation cosine or derivative of cosine equal negative sine x. But in this case, in time rate, multiply dx over dt. From the lemma, we note that d sine x over dt at x equals 0 equals 1 times dx over dt. Also, d tan x over dt at x equals 0 equals 1 dx over dt, d sine x over dt equal d tan over dx at x equals 0. Then sine, derivative of sine and the tan at x equals 0 equals, each one equals 1 times dx over dt. The sine and tangent of a given angle increase by the same rate at x equals 0. d sine x over dt at x equal pi over 3 equal half times dx over dt. d tan x over dt at x equal 4 over 3 equals 4 times dx over dt. Different. d tan x over dt equals 8 d sine x over dt at x equal pi over 3. Then d derivative of tan equal 8 derivative of sine when x equal pi over 3. What you mean x over pi over 3 equals what? 60 degrees. At x equal pi over 3 equal 60 degrees. What you mean? Then the rate of increasing tangent of any angle equal 8 times range the rate of increasing sine at x equal pi over 3. d cosine x over dt when x equals pi over 6 equal half times dx over dt. When x equal pi over 6 also d tan x over dt equal 4 over 3 dx over dt. Then dx over d cosine x over dt equal negative 3 over 8 times d tan x over dt. This relation between derivative of cosine and derivative of the tan at x equal pi over 6. Then the rate of cosine any angle decreasing pi rate 3 over 8, the rate of tangent the same angle increasing at point x equals pi over 6. Dear student, now we are translate to another example. Two sides of triangle, each increasing pi rate 1 over root 3 centimeter per second. And the included angle increases by rate quarter radian per second. Find the rate of change of the surface area of the triangle when the length of each side equals 12 centimeter. Solution. Look at triangle ABC. The side area of triangle capital letter A equals half AB sin C, dA over dt, half AB cosine C times dC over dt. By differentiation, respect to time t, plus half sin C multiply A times dB over dt plus B dA over dt. Dear student, the area of a triangle half base times height, half AB sin C, this area, but differentiation respect the time t, then dA over dt equals half AB cosine C times dC over dt plus half sin C multiply bracket contains A dB over dt, first derivative second plus second derivative first, plus B dA over dt. Since dA over dt equals dB over dt equals 1 over root 3, dC over dt equals quarter, when the length of each side of triangle equal 12 centimeter, the triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. Then measure of angle C equals 60 equals pi over 3. Therefore, dA over dt equals 1 over 2 times 12 times 12 times quarter times quarter by substitution plus half times root 3 over 2 times bracket contains 2 times 12 times 1 over root 3 equal 15 centimeter square per second. This is change or change of the area respect to time t when triangle becomes equilateral triangle. Now we are translate to another example. Dear student, if we have lengths of two sides of right angle triangle are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. If the length of the first side decreases by half centimeter per minute and the length of the second increase by 1 centimeter per minute, what is the required? The first, find the rate of change surface area of triangle after 2 minutes. The second required, the time at which the increasing is vanished. Dear student, look at the solution. The length of the first is decreasing by rate 1 centimeter, half centimeter per minute. Means after t second, the length is 8 minus half t. The side length is 8. Decrease half t, then after t second, its length becomes 8 minus half t centimeter. The length of the second side increased by rate 1 centimeter per minute. Remember, length of the second side is 6 centimeter. Then the length of the second side in increasing by rate 1 centimeter minute becomes 6 plus t second. After t second becomes, its length becomes 6 plus t inside bracket centimeter. The area of triangle, its symbol capital A, half base times height. Half times base times height. Look at the base 8 minus half t. The height is 6 plus t. By multiply half times bracket contains 8 minus half t multiply bracket contains 6 plus t. Area is equals 4 minus quarter t inside bracket times 6 plus t equals 24 plus 5 over 2t minus quarter t square, this area. Then by differentiation respect to time t, dA over t equals 5 over 2 minus half t. Remember, dear student, dA over dt means the change of the area of a triangle respect to time t equals 5 over 2 minus half t. After t equals 2, by substitution, we find dA over dt equals 5 over 2 minus quarter times 2 equals 1.5 centimeter squared per minute. Remember, dear student, dA over dt equals 0 means A is vanished. Vanished means change of the time, change of the A respect to time t equals 0. By substitution, about the previous equation, dA over dt equals 0. Then 5 over 2 minus quarter t equals 0. In this case, we find the value of t. Then t equals 5 minutes. What do you mean, dear student? The area of triangle dA over change of the area is equals 0 when t equals 5 minutes. Remember, dA over dt equal 1.5 centimeter squared per minute when t equals 2. But when t equals 5, change of the A respect of time t becomes equals 0. When you compare between change of two areas and between two interval, when t equals 2, dA over dt equals 1.5 centimeter squared per minute. When t equals 5, then dA over dt equals 0. Now we are translate to important example. Metal lamina in the form of an isosceles triangle. Its height equals twice its base. The length of each base is increasing by heating rate 0.04 centimeter per second. Find the increasing rate of surface area of the lamina when its base 8 centimeter. The first require. The second, find the rate of change of each side length. Solution. Look at the lamina as shape isosceles triangle AB equal AC, each side length L centimeter. BC, we let BC equal X, AD height to X. BC is the base of lamina. Let the base BC equal X. Then BD equal half X, also CD equal half X. AD is height. Height equals twice the base. AD to X. BC equal X. Remember, AD axis of symmetry. What you mean? Perpendicular. The length of the side or the side drawn from the vertex of isosceles triangle divided the base or bisect and perpendicular the base. Why? Because AD is axis of symmetry of BC. AD bisect BC and perpendicular to it. Then BD half BC equal half X, and the relation between AD and BC equals 2 to 1. If BC equals X, then AD equals what? 2X. Then the base length equal X centimeter. Therefore, length of each side 2X centimeter. The surface area of triangle is a capital centimeter squared. What you mean of the area of triangle? Half base times height. Then area equals half X times 2X equal X square. Area of triangle equal X square. By differentiation respect to the time. Then dA over dt equals what? 2 times dx over dx 2x dx over dt by dA over dt when t equals 8. 2 times 8 times 0.04 equals what? 0.64 centimeter squared per second. This is change of the area respect to time t. 0.64 centimeter squared per second. Since L square equals what? Look at ABD. This triangle is right angle triangle AD. Pythagoras theorem means Pythagoras theorem L square equal 2x square plus half x for all power 2 equals what? 4x square plus quarter x square equals what? 17 over 4 x square. This L square. then L equals square root 17 over 2x. This relation between L and x. By differentiation, each side respect to t time, then dl over dt equals root 17 over 2 dx over dt. Remember, dear student, dl over dt, change of L respect to time t. dx over dt means change of the base bc or x respect to time t. By using substitution, then dl over dt equals root 17 over 2 times 0.04, this dx over dt from the given. Then dl over dt equals what? 0.02 root 17 centimeter per second. Dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Remember, math simple, think, work, produce. Goodbye.